Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat not working. So guys, when you open your Snapchat and Snapchat is suddenly closed on your phone. So guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, now you can see I am opening my Snapchat app and you can see that my Snapchat app is not working. So guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So first of all, you need to open your settings and click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. So guys, if not connected, then you need to open your mobile data. And guys, after connecting it, you need to go back. The second method is you need to find your app management, click on app management and click on app list. And here you need to find Snapchat. So I am writing Snapchat. Guys, you need to click on Snapchat and click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. And third method is you need to update your Snapchat. So guys, how can you update? Simply you need to open your Play Store and search your Snapchat. And guys, click on Snapchat and here you can see the option of update. So guys, simply you need to update from here. And after doing update, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not solve your problem, then guys, you need to uninstall your app. And guys, after uninstalling, you need to reinstall again from your Play Store. And guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to open your Snapchat smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.